These are wires used for wire wrapping and for beading. So this is the beading wire used in any jewelry making. This is very strong wire. It's a metallic wire. This comes in copper, golden and silver color. It's a 0.5 mm wire. So in all jewelry necklaces, mostly that beading wire is used. This is 24 gauge wire used for wrapping. This is also 24 gauge. This is from Beadsmith craft wire. And this is from Itsy Bitsy I have taken. The 22 gauge one, silver wire. This is also used for wire wrapping. This is again same 24 gauge wire used for wrapping. This is a brass wire 18 gauge. The lower the gauge, the thicker the wire will be. So this is a 18 gauge one. This is copper 18 gauge wire. This can be used in making bracelet, bangle and many more things, earrings. So these are aluminium wires. I have golden, silver and different colors. These are too soft and it is difficult to make proper shape in them, but can be used for wrapping. So this is a golden color. We can make finger rings in this and springs to add in jewelry as a component. This can be used. So these are called memory bracelet. This is very hard and we need to cut how much ever rows you need to cut it like 2 rows or 3 rows. So on the jewelry part I will make a separate tutorial on this. This is a 16 gauge wire, copper wire. So this the lower the gauge, it is very thick, but for holding shape that really works. You can see this bracelet I have made from this 16 gauge wire. So even the hook is made handmade. Some of the wire jewelry which I have made. This is the wire wrapped pendant made with aluminium golden color wire, and this is a bracelet. So this is another bracelet. I'll have separate tutorial on all this. So this I have already uploaded the tutorial, wire bracelet. I will give the link for this at the end of it. This is also wire wrapped earring. I have made a tutorial on this. You can watch. This is again an earring, wire wrapped seed bead earring. I have made the tutorial on this as well. Please watch, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.